Welcome back, guys. We have the kayak. This is going to be the first time I'm taking it out. And all I'm bringing is a fly rod, some bass flies, getting it loaded up. This is going to be a good trip. Okay, she's in the water. Let's hop in. Life jacket is going on my lap. It usually does. So that underneath my legs a little bit. Fly rod on my lap. Okay, let's go.
I got way out there and I'm already getting jumped back into you.
See, who said I couldn't do it by myself? Yeah, I see what you mean. This is, I'm gonna have to make like a like 1 pound anchor or something. This thing feels pretty solid, I'd say. I like how the walls are tall. That's why I love it better of an angle. This wind is not gonna like me right now. Oh, see, I'm already back at the dock. That's fun. I was decently out there a ways, so I must be going at more than a mile an hour, I'd say. Shoot. And I'm not going to be in the dock for much longer. Come on. If there's literally a bluegill in here, honestly, even a bass will bite this thing. Caught a lot of bass on this. Oh. Okay, I'm gonna need to actually start working my way out of here. If you guys like this kayaking video, please comment below. I will 100% do them. Of course, I'm trying to keep my kayak like parallel with the wind, and it is not, just not working. Okay, and here's my fly rod. Bump up against. Please don't break it. I might take off my camera mount too, but here is my 2 fly things. And here's my pocket knife. That's gonna be the end of this video. Didn't catch anything. Literally fighting the wind the whole time.